What is good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Cuts Adventures here. We are going on another adventure. It is my birthday weekend, and yeah, we're going camping. We're gonna head up coast. I believe it is called Washburn Campgrounds. I was trying to find something all day yesterday, and everything was booked, but I was able to find that one. I found a site. They call it a primitive campground, so not sure what it is, never been there. Yeah, it's right up the coast, right by the Pacific Ocean, and yeah, taking you guys along with me. Cuts Adventures, let's go. What's up, y'all? We just got here. We're at Coalinga now, getting our first charge in. We got here with about 5% battery, but yeah, we are charging now. My brother's here. He's over there charging also. Yeah, if you guys don't know, it's me and my brother tonight, my nephew Niall, and our dog Mickey. So y'all, we still charging, but we picked up some Harris barbecue sandwich, tri-tip. Whang! Got some lemonade, mac and cheese, and chips. When we came here last time, going to my brother's wedding out here in San Diego, we stopped by Harris and picked up some Harris barbecue. My brother got the brisket, potato chips, Ooh, mac and cheese is all good. All right, let's try the tri-tip sandwich. When we came last time, I got the pulled pork. Here we go. Cheers. What? Mmm. 10 out of 10. Well, I'm gonna eat this snack, this little lunch, and we'll see you at the campgrounds. Hey, we made it, y'all. We made it.
Hello.
Brother's here.
Wow.
Mickey's here.
Mickey's here. Wow, look at those trees right there. So
Happy
cool.
early birthday to me, y'all.
Happy birthday,
Camping
Papa.
out here in San Simeon, California. I don't know if you saw it, but we are close to the Pacific Ocean, which is that way. But yeah, we're gonna set up camp and enjoy the day, y'all. Let's go. Here we go, y'all. Finally set up camp, bed. No mattress today. My brother's using it. It's his mattress. I need to get one, but yeah. Sleeping bag, cot, pad, pillow, and blanket. Car camping, y'all. It's my new camp kitchen right here. Shout out to Hitchfire. Sink, burner, and the views.
Like, for example, like one person has to like.
Yee! I'm about to go try to see the camp host, pick up some firewood, hopefully. If not, we ain't gonna have no campfires tonight. But yeah, either way, we're gonna cook some dinner. We're doing Korean short ribs. What else we got? Korean short ribs, zucchini, rice, and I'm gonna do some egg rolls too. So let go. Cheers. New cutting board. New cutting board set. Let's go, y'all. We bought firewood. What's up, Rye? Niall over there. Let's go. Let's get this fire started.
Doing time lapse or something? Oh, you're only at 2%.
I got better.
Ooh.
Oh, go ahead.
I'm gonna lift this thing. And out? What in the world? You are strong, honey.
Get the fire.
Ooh, there. Perfect.
Fire pit started. Let go. Well, no.
Oh.
No.
No. Oh, good, it's blowing that way. Oh, morning.
All right, let's make dinner. Korean short ribs, y'all. Happy birthday to me.
All right, cheers. Happy birthday, Chris.
Thank you, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's go, y'all. Dinner. Cooking dinners. Yeah. Got the rice over there. Got my beer. Taking shots right there. Let's go check on the brother and the nephew. Got the fire pit. What's up, guys? Hi, Naya.
It won't play.
And they're chilling there trying to watch movies. Alright, we chilling out, we relaxing. Not doing a lot of talking on this one, but it's a little quiet campground. But yeah, look at the vibes. I don't know if you can see the moon right there. The moon. like I should do it since I'm gonna be camping a lot.
That makes sense. What are you gonna use right now?
I just have sleeping bags.
Just sleeping bags?
Sleeping bags in my cot pad.
Oh.
All right, y'all. Dinner served.
Thank
Finally.
you, Papa Chris. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, Korean short ribs and rice.
Let's go.
And we got a campfire. Car camping. Son, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Oh no.
Thank you, Chris.
Mm-hmm. Nothing can beat short ribs and some rice. Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday.
Now over there by the fire pit. Oh, he fell.
I am. Careful.
And some Home Alone.
It's so funny.
Come here.
You did it again, didn't you? You left the water running, didn't you? What's wrong with you? Why do you do that? I told you not to do it.
All right, let's bring the
Harry,
table
it's our
down.
calling card. All the great ones leave their mark. We're the wet bandits.
You're sick. You know that? You're really sick. Not sick. Yes, you are. That's sick.
All right, y'all. It's getting late. Chilling by the campfire. Having my beer. Happy birthday to me. Cheers. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Checkout is at 12 p.m. So we're gonna cook some breakfast, and then yeah, we'll see where we go from there. But yeah, Cuts Adventures, y'all. Like and subscribe. We gotta stay quiet. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Top of the morning. It is 7:30 right now. We just woke up. Look at the boy. Look at the boy. Good morning, sir. Good morning. All right. Nice sunrise over here. Yeah. So I gotta clean up, y'all. I don't know if you noticed. Everything is a little wet from moisture from the cold. Gotta do a lot of wipe downs of everything. And then we're gonna make some breakfast, make some coffee, and then get ready to check out. So yeah, let's get this going. Good morning, y'all. All right, everything is wiped down. Making some coffee right now.
Oh,
We're gonna get some breakfast in.
right.
We're doing some eggs. Trying to make some garlic fried rice if possible. And some corned beef, y'all. Filipino tradition breakfast. Let go.
Pretty good. Folgers in your car.
Ooh, some nice hot coffee. Give it a spin, mix. Oh, ooh. Let's go. Nice and nice.
Thank you. Cheers.
It's a nice cup of joe. Yeah. We're not leveled.
Huh?
We're not leveled.
Oh.
Hey. Hey.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, windy.
Breakfast. Look this way. All right, y'all, breakfast is served. Corned beef, eggs, garlic fried rice. Let go.
Did it hit?
All right, y'all, just finished breakfast. We're gonna start packing, start cleaning up. Got a long drive ahead of us. Hopefully we can stop by the beach before we head out of here. I'll take you guys there, but yeah, let's clean up, y'all. Cuts Adventures. Like and subscribe. All right, y'all, another birthday trip. Camping over here at Washburn Campgrounds.
Loved it.
Have fun.
Bye.
Say bye.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, y'all. Cuts Adventures. See you guys on the next one. Say bye. Blow kiss. Ah. Cuts Adventures, y'all. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Check us out, y'all. Pulled over real quick before we head home. Stop by the beach. Cool.